In the fast-moving world of news, it's easy to miss the meaning between the lines. That's where we come in. Each episode, we take real headlines from Newsline Philippines and let AI break them down. Not just the what, but the why it matters.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the discussion. Today we're looking at a news report from Newsline Philippines about the Habagat bringing scattered rains and thunderstorms to Mindanao. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? But let's dig a little deeper. What's the significance of this weather event beyond just some rain?
The Habagat, or southwest monsoon, is a seasonal weather pattern in the Philippines. It's characterized by wet and often stormy conditions. While scattered rain and thunderstorms might seem commonplace, the impact can be significant depending on the intensity and duration of the rainfall. We need to consider potential flooding, landslides, and disruptions to daily life.
So it's not just about the rain itself, but the potential consequences? What kind of impact are we talking about for the people in Mindanao? Absolutely. Flooding can damage homes and infrastructure, displace families, and disrupt transportation. Landslides are a serious concern, especially in mountainous areas, posing risks to life and property. Agricultural activities can also be severely affected, leading to crop damage and economic losses.
Yeah, it sounds pretty serious. Are there any specific areas in Mindanao that are particularly vulnerable?
The vulnerability varies depending on factors like topography, soil conditions, and existing infrastructure. Areas with steep slopes or poor drainage systems are more prone to landslides and flooding. Coastal regions might experience storm surges. Specific details would require looking at more localized weather reports and assessments.
Right, this is a general overview. Does the Newsline report offer any details on the expected duration or intensity of this weather event?
Unfortunately, the provided text snippet only mentions the occurrence of scattered rains and thunderstorms. For precise details on duration and intensity, we'd need to consult a more comprehensive weather forecast from Newsline Philippines or a similar source.
So the headline gives us a general idea, but we need more information for a complete picture. What kind of preparedness measures should people in Mindanao be taking?
Monitoring weather updates is crucial. People should be prepared for potential flooding by securing their belongings and having an evacuation plan in place. Knowing safe routes and evacuation centers is vital. Landslide-prone areas should take extra precautions.
Good advice. It seems like staying informed and being prepared is key. Thanks for shedding light on this weather event and its potential impact.
It's important to remember that weather patterns can change rapidly. Staying updated through official channels is crucial for safety.
Absolutely, and always remember to prioritize safety during severe weather.
Precisely. Early warning systems and community preparedness are essential for minimizing the impact of such events.
Are there any specific organizations or resources people in Mindanao can turn to for more information and assistance?
Yes, local government units, disaster risk reduction and management offices, and national meteorological agencies are excellent resources. They often provide specific advisories and support during weather emergencies.
That's great information. It's good to know there are resources available to help people stay safe.
Absolutely. Community preparedness and collaboration are also vital in mitigating the effects of these weather events.
So community involvement plays a significant role in disaster response?
Yes, community-based disaster preparedness programs can significantly improve response times and effectiveness.
That's a really important point. It highlights the importance of community engagement in disaster management.
Indeed. It's a collective responsibility to ensure the safety and well-being of everyone during such events.
This discussion has been really insightful. It's highlighted the importance of understanding the potential impacts of weather events like the Habagat.
Precisely. Awareness, preparedness, and community action are crucial for minimizing the risks and ensuring the safety of those affected.
Thank you for this informative discussion. Stay safe, everyone, and remember to stay updated on weather reports.